Ever had a balance sitting in your Venmo account that you want to move over to your Chime account? It seems like it should be a simple process, but you might have run into a few snags. Maybe you've tried linking them, only to find it's not as straightforward as with other banks. Or perhaps you're just wondering what the fastest, most efficient way to do it is. Well, you've come to the right place. The key to this isn't some secret handshake or a hidden button. It's about using the existing features of both apps in the right order. First, let's look at the basic setup. You'll need to link your Chime account to your Venmo. Open up your Venmo app and head to the Me tab, then find your wallet. From there, select Add a bank or card. You can either use your Chime debit card, which is the quickest option, or link your Chime checking account using the account and routing numbers. You can find those numbers in your Chime app. Go to Settings and then Account Info. Once you have them, you can go back to Venmo and enter the numbers to manually link the account. It's a simple, one-time setup that unlocks the entire process. Once your accounts are linked, moving money is a two-step transfer. It's like sending money from one side of a bridge to the other. You'll initiate the transfer from the Venmo side. In your Venmo app, go to your balance, and you'll see a transfer or cash out option. You'll then choose to transfer to your linked bank account. This is where you'll select your Chime account. You have two main options for the transfer. A standard transfer is free and typically takes 1 to 3 business days to arrive in your Chime account. Or, if you need the money right away, you can choose an instant transfer for a small fee. This usually gets the money into your Chime account within 30 minutes, sometimes even faster. And that's it. It's a simple two-part process. Link your Chime account to Venmo, then transfer your Venmo balance to that linked account. Now you can get your money where you need it, when you need it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.